to our flour. I mean our dough mixture that we have there, because can you see it's okay, it's okay. And then you want to just continue to roll. If you find that your rolling pin is sticking onto your chapati,
you put on some flour.
You can put some flour and just rub some flour on it and then continue to roll. Now at this point is when you want to make sure you're watching how you're rolling, because that's what makes the circle. Exactly. So you just want to continue to roll it as you turn and just make sure that you have that perfect circle. Now for chapatis, depending on how thick or thin you want it, this is the place where you do that. And then you just want to just continue to knead that, manipulate the dough by pushing it harder on the side that you feel. You see, like this is almost like a square. So I'm just gonna roll that side just to make sure I get that perfect circle. And then roll this side just to make sure that you get that perfect circle going on there.
I don't know what shape this is.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. And then now I'm just gonna finish it off. See, even mine is not the exact perfect circle.
Girl.
It's
Girl.
and then
mine.
it's okay. It's still gonna taste delicious because once you cook that, as long as you can eat it. All right, now at this point is where you want to turn on your flame, which is you want your pan to be extremely hot. You want that smoke sizzle that's coming out so that it can cook your chapati to perfection. All right, now we're gonna wait for that to heat up, and then we're gonna put the chapati in and then begin to drizzle in.